Good day. Hello, I feel like I always start with, hello everyone. So I'm trying to think of a different way to, good day, mate. Today I'm gonna do something, I'm trying something new. And I'm priming, by the way, right now with our setting spray and my perfecting sponge. But I am going to create my own BB cream using Seint products. So a lot of times when women switch to, if they were using a BB cream and then they switch to Seint, they're like, I love the makeup, but I miss the lightness and texture of the BB cream. Well, we have a solution for you. And okay, I did, of course, sample it yesterday because I had to at least try it once, but it's still basically like new. So I'm gonna make my own BB cream. So how I do this is I take our Seint cream, and what you do, so I'm gonna do 1 pump of that and then put that right on my hand, okay? Actually, I might even add just a little bit more. Might be running low on my cream because I use it so much. Okay. Then what you do is you take your main highlight color and literally last night I switched all my palettes because I got more stuff. There we go. So now I'm like, where is everything? Okay, so I'm gonna take my main highlight color, rub my finger in there like that, and then put it on my hand. Okay, kind of push that down. Oop, dropped it. And then just rub it together, okay? And you basically are creating, by doing this, your own BB cream. So, I mean, I was always moisturizing with the cream beforehand, and then I was obviously using my highlighter color. So now I'm just blending the steps basically and doing a BB cream. And you could use, right now I'm just kind of using my finger, but you could use your brush. Let's do that. Let me use my 3D brush and then just kind of put that everywhere, blend it in. Get closer. I thought maybe I'd try sitting, but it's harder than to see the makeup. And I'm using our 3D brush right now. It just blends really, really nicely. This could help also if you feel like you have drier skin. This adds the moisture to your skin, so then it won't feel as dry. It has that really light texture. If you want more of like a lighter coverage one day. Perfect. So now what I'm still gonna do, I'm still gonna contour, I'm still gonna add my concealer, but my main highlight is applied. So now I'm just gonna add in my, grab the wrong one again. So I'll add my concealer. I'm using Sunlit for my concealer because I have a purplish hue, if you can see that, under my eyes. And the yellow tones in the Sunlit cancel purple. So we have a great, basically like a color guide, letting us know which colors cancel each other out. So like if you feel like maybe you have more bluish undertones or reddish, we can help you color correct that. While I'm doing this, I also want to mention how to get color matched. So if you feel like you want to get color matched, all you need to do is take a selfie. Obviously my camera is recording right now. Take a selfie in front of a window. Okay, no makeup. It's important you don't have makeup on. You want to stand close to the window, okay? So not like way back. You want to be close to the window, but enough that you can do arm's length out, and you just take the picture. Facing the window head on. Also, make sure your neck is also in the photo, because your neck is what helps me make decisions on your color as well. So then you would just take the picture and make sure you have a clean face, and that's it. So then you can email that to me using the links, and then I will set you up with a free color match, and we can get you hacking away, highlighting and contouring. Speaking of contouring, I'm going to add that next. So I'm going to go to my buff brush for that. And I went a little lower than I usually do. That's all right. It is our youngest son's birthday today. He is 6, which is sad when you know your baby's getting older, right? So you still want to put the contour everywhere you would normally do it. Same with your concealer. Like I said, you just kind of blend it a step with not putting on your main highlight. All right, I'm going to add my contour to my nose. And I use a darker contour for my nose. I use Astoria for my nose, whereas my regular contour is Olive. Because I have redness in my nose, which I feel like I don't get as much coverage then, or the contouring doesn't show up as well with the redness and Olive. So then I use the darker color. Okay, so I'm gonna go and add my sunlit, and I apologize that I'm not doing this way. Here we go. Kind of add that to your T-zone. A little bit more on the tip of my toe, tip of my nose. Okay. Okay, so I have my contour everywhere. I'm gonna add next my bronzer. Notice how I'm not blending after each color because I want these colors to warm up on my skin to also help them blend nicer. And then I'm going to add my lip and cheek. I'm gonna do Sandstone, I think, today, because it's my favorite. And then leftover. Add to my lips. To give it a little color. You can add as much as you like. And now I'm going to blend. I'm gonna use I'll use my 3D brush to blend. So I always start on the bottom with my contour color. Blend that in. You don't want lines. You want it all to look natural with your skin. Okay. And you can put it on the sides of your nose. You just don't, because you don't want that contour going down your nose. Otherwise, it's gonna make you look like you have a bigger schnoz than you really do. Schnozberries. Isn't that, I think that's from a movie. The schnozberries. Or I'm just making it up on the two. My mom asked me, my mom is staying with us for a couple days because they live out of town. So we have a nice, call it the mother-in-law suite. So she stays here once in a while. She's like, isn't it awkward making videos, like talking to yourself? Nobody's talking to you? And I said, no, because I did that for how many months as a teacher. So you just get used to having a conversation with yourself. Because when the kids were virtual, nobody talked to me. So by now I'm used to it. Okay, I'm gonna take our detail brush, getting better with the brush names, and just pat this contour of my nose all over. And I take the other end to blend it, that other line, and I blend it up to my eyebrows. I'm still working on lighting. All right, face is done. Done, done, done. I'll do my eyes and my eyebrows, but otherwise, yeah, this video, I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own BB cream if you really like that texture and light feel of BB cream, but you love, obviously, the Seint Makeup, because who wouldn't love the Seint Makeup? We have that solution, so now you get the best of both worlds. And I'm just using my perfector sponge to pick up any excess makeup and just continue to help blend everything. All right, and that is it. So have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.